Choose the right handles in table tennis. How many handle types exist in table tennis? And what are the best handle and the advantage of each type? Here is my answer. Welcome back, I'm EmRatThich. In the previous video, I have explained you the pros and the cons of the heavy and the light table tennis racket. Today, let's learn how to choose the right handle for your racket. You can search on Google, choose the right handle, PingSunday. The handle is very important in table tennis. It is the place that you can apply pressure and play the micro adjustment. Choosing the wrong types or too small handle will ruin your development. Before buying any table tennis blade that suits your style, you should decide to select the best handle type. New players often don't know how to choose which type of handle for their new blade. They often wonder, what is the difference between a straight and a flare handle for my table tennis paddle? Or how to choose a blade handle type? Choose the right handle is important. Choosing the right table tennis grip is crucial for your table tennis racket. Each type of grip will fit the blade handle. It is very important, and there are 6 types of handle. Choose the right one that fits your playing style. Handle size is very important too. It is the place where you put your finger to apply the right pressure. Place the thumb on the neck of the blade. You should choose flare, anatomic and straight handle. Here is the Viscaria flare handle versus a Viscaria straight handle. So what is the difference? The flare handle has a gravity center that is closer to the grip, and the blade fits in the palm of a hand. So this handle provides confidence in your hand. That is why the flare handle is great for forehand dominant players who prefer using powerful stroke at mid-distance. And the anatomic handle has a wave-shaped grip that fits in the palm and provides stability. That is why anatomic handle is best for the hitter playing style, attacker close to the table. The straight handle enables players to change the way the handle is gripped in a different game situation, which favors backhand, forehand transition. Here is the 3 types of handle: flare, anatomic and straight. For the tunable ALC racket, which type of handle that you prefer? Six types of handle in table tennis. After deciding your grip, now you must choose the best table tennis blade handle that suits your playing style. Based on Palatinus table tennis maker expert, there are 6 types of handle grips: flare handle, straight handle, C-pen handle, anatomic handle, and conical handle. Here, I will resume and explain the advantage of each type of blade handle in table tennis. It depends on your playing style that you can decide to choose the best handle for you. There are 6 main handles in table tennis equipment. Number 1. Flare handle. Best for forehand dominant player. Best for looping style. Chinese players prefer flare handle the most. Straight handle. Both round straight handle RST or square straight handle SQST, good for control style. Smooth backhand forehand transition. European players prefer using this type of handle. It provides balance between backhand and forehand power. Number 3. Chinese penhole C-pen. Only used by penhole player. Good to serve and service return. Freedom of wrist. Good with forehand attack close to the table but weak on backhand side. Anatomic handle. Preferred by a hitter. Fit very well in the arm. Mostly used in the USA. Provide deep grip, narrow grip for hitting, but weak at looping and weak at long distance. Conical handle. Similar to flare handle but rounder, not very popular. Something between straight handle and flare handle. Good for the all-round style, soft style with spin. Not comfortable on a very big hand. Here is the comparison table to show the pros and cons of each handle type. Best handle that suits your playing style. In the end, there's no rule, it depends on your preference. However, here is some guideline for new players to choose the right handle. Handle for forehand looping style. If you are the forehand dominant player who loves to finish the point with the forehand loop, you won't go wrong with the flare handle. The flare handle has a bigger flare at the end, which gives you more confidence during your forehand shots. Butterfly Viscaria with a flare handle is a very good offensive blade. Handle for backhand dominant player. If you are the backhand favorite player, you stay close to the table and attack with your backhand drive or topspin. You should buy straight handle. The straight handle allows quick transition from backhand to forehand and inverse. A backhand player doesn't need to hit hard, but they need speed. So straight handle offers this option. T-Mobile ALC with straight handle is a very good blade for backhand dominant player. It is very comfortable for backhand to forehand transition.
Occasionally hits the backhand, but not very often. That's the beauty.
The blade handle for hitting style. If you are the hitter who hits on the bounce, you can choose an anatomic handle. The anatomic handle gives a unique feel to your hand. It fits very well your palm. This handle type is used to hit hard. It doesn't switch to spin-oriented player. So for a hitter, you can choose a hard carbon blade. Butterfly mounted carbon is a very good blade for the hitter playing style. The blade handle for defender chopping style. Defender prefer playing with a long and straight handle. The advantage of long handle is they give the defender more power, more torque power away from the table. And why defensive player love straight handle? Because in many situations they need to chop to defend the ball just in front of their body or far at the corners. So straight handle gives them the ability, the easy maneuver to transfer between the forehand and the backhand side. The best way to attack the defender is to attack the ball directly to the body of the defender. So to deal with that, defender prefer using the straight handle. Many top players, professional defensive players, choose the straight handle. Zula trained defender, straight handle. Or Victor's Koji Matsushita is a very good defensive blade with a straight handle. Choose the best handle size. I don't like the handle of several commercial table tennis blades. It is too small. The handle doesn't give the confident feeling in my hand. Why is the handle too small now? I really love the old blade in the years of 1960 to 1980s. The handle is well designed, very comfortable and gives me so much feeling. But then the blade handle nowadays is too small. Why? The manufacturer just want to reduce the price of the blade for more competitive for the business. They reduce the handle size because the handle takes a large portion of the good material, but it is not good for us player. So what is the solution? The too thin handle is bad for your feeling and confidence. So you have two solutions. You can add the extra grip tape or order a custom handle. So that is why pro players often play with a custom handle. If you don't have a custom handle, then you can use a grip tape for including the pro players like Samsonov. Use soft grip tape to have better grip for your racket. The optimal blade handle size. Based on the Chinese coaching, the handle must be thick enough so you can execute correctly the pressure on your shots. Normally, the pressure is performed on your thumb and your index finger. Use the index finger to increase the quality of your forehand shots, and use both index and thumb finger to increase the quality of your backhand shots. With a very thin handle, especially too thin at the top of the handle, you can't perform well your shots. It is very bad. So you need to choose the handle with a thickness more than 22.5 mm on the edge, the head of the handle where you put your fingers. I have known many cases that a player throw away their racket because of the too thin handle. The blade handle length. The perfect handle length is about 100 to 102 mm. Sometimes defender or chopper will prefer a longer handle, something like 103 to 104 mm. A longer handle gives you more torque power, and the longer handle is better for mid to long distance play side, like chopper or to swing looper far from the table. But don't choose too short handle if you are not penhold player. Nowadays, the commercial blade, the handle length is just only about 90 to 95 mm. They reduce the production cost to increase gain, but this is bad for the players. So the optimal handle length is about 100 to 102 mm. So here is my personal guide. It is not perfect rule for everyone, but I hope that I can help new players to choose the right equipment. See you!